Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I will teach you how to play the chord Csus2. Csus2, very easy open chord, kind of takes on the C shape and you just gotta lift off one finger to play this Csus2. I'd encourage you to look at my playlist below also and just search for open chords, and I have just a ton of chords there that may be of interest to you and help you along on your playing journey. So let's get started. Okay, this is the sound of Csus2. Okay, to play the Csus2, you're using the shape of the C major chord. You place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the first fret, and then skip 2 strings and place this 3rd finger on string number 5 of the 3rd fret. So you're not going to be using finger number 2 at all. So you're just using these 2 strings, string number 2 on the 1st fret and then string number 5 on the 3rd fret. Okay, and you do not want to strum the top string or the bottom string. Just strum the middle 4 strings here to play Csus2. That is Csus2. So if I place this finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, that makes a C major chord by strumming all strings but this top one. So just lift off on your 2nd finger and then don't strum the bottom string or the top string, and that'll make the Csus2. And kind of to resolve that, you play the C major. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. I appreciate the like buttons that you hit. That lets me know that you're enjoying the type of lessons that I'm sharing with you and you'd like to see more videos like this. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Thank you for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.